Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the install, I do want to let you guys know that I do have a new hair channel where I'm going to be posting most of my hair content on. So yeah, if you guys are interested in checking that out, make sure you guys go in the description box down below. I'll have my hair channel and also my hair page. But anyway, the company I will be working with today is Vshow hair, as you guys seen at the beginning of the video. And this is the wig that they sent me. I believe there was 26 inches and it came pre-colored, so I did not have to color the wig. I went ahead and I bleached the knots. Honestly, I feel like it was a bad idea because, honestly, I wouldn't even say it was a bad idea. It was really just no point because the knots turned red. I don't know if the knots turned red because of the bleach or if it turned red because when you wet the hair was still bleeding the burgundy type color. So I'm not sure, but it's really no point in bleaching the knots on this wig if you guys do decide to get it. So I left the bleach on for about 30 minutes. Like I told you guys previously, the knots turned red. I'm going to show you guys how it looks up close like this. I'm not sure if the hair color got on the brown knots and turned them red or if it just turned red for itself. I really don't know. But anyway, I went ahead and I still used my Shimmer Light shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with shampoo and conditioner and make sure we wash the hair. And then I'm going to also let the hair air dry. I usually let my hair air dry outside for about, I don't know, I usually turn it upside down, so it usually doesn't take long to dry at all. Next is a very important / crucial part of any wig install, the plucking. So right here, I'm going in and I'm plucking the wig. I'm doing this in sections, and I also told you guys in a previous video that I do not pluck wet wigs anymore. I do not pluck my wigs wet. Honestly, I feel like using the hot comb is just way better. I can actually see how the wig is gonna look while it's dry, and I don't know, it's just honestly better in my opinion. So I'm just going in sections, as you guys see, and I'm just plucking, and then I'm going to put the hair back and pluck a little more. And you don't want to over pluck the wig, especially with it not on your head, because you don't know. At least if you under pluck it, you can always go back in and pluck, but if you over pluck, it's really nothing you can do about it, and it's going to be bald and not giving what it's supposed to give. So this is how the wig looked after I finished plucking, and the same night I went to my salon suite to get started on basically styling my wig. I personally feel like it's way easier styling the wig ahead of time, in my opinion, and it's just way less time consuming. So I just like to style my wig ahead of time, and I didn't even install this until the next day. But anyway, I decided to do the very much trendy hairstyle that you guys been seeing everywhere on Instagram, on Twitter, on Snapchat, on everything. So I'm basically going to be braiding the front part of the wig, and then I'm going to just have the back part out, and it's just going to be curly, giving like a curly type look. Honestly, I've been doing this hairstyle since damn near middle school, elementary school. Like, I've had this hairstyle plenty of times, but I guess it's popular now, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So right here, all I'm doing is taking out any possible baby hairs that I'm gonna be using, just because once I braid the hair, it's gonna be kind of harder to try to pull out baby hairs and stuff because the hair is gonna be braided. So I just took that out ahead of time, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding. I actually had a picture to go off of how I wanted to braid the hair. And yeah, it wasn't exactly how the picture looked, but you know, it was just some type of inspo for me to go off of. Okay, period. This how the wig looked after I was done. I did go ahead and rebraid a couple braids when I got home, but yeah, that was pretty much it. Alright guys, so the part that everybody's been waiting for, the install. I'm going in with my Got To Be gel, and I'm just using that to slick down my edges, slick back my edges to be exact. And I'm not going to be talking too much in this part just because everything is really self-explanatory. It's nothing that I did that was extravagant or different that needs explaining. Do be careful when you do this part because I was being very much reckless and I cut my ear and I was bleeding, so be careful. Going in with this method, I've been trying this method recently and it's been a hit or miss. Honestly, I feel like I need to change my glue and I need to stop using that damn Got To Be spray. But yeah, other than that, that was the only new thing that I did when it came to this install. Okay, last thing I'm probably gonna say until the end of the video, I went ahead and cut off most of the lace because you do not need to have all that damn lace before you lay down the wig. It's very much unnecessary. So I cut off all that extra lace, and then I went in with about 4 to 5 layers of glue just because I really wanted this wig to stay on. We're gonna smooth that out. We're gonna let it dry before we put it down, and when I say dry, I mean turn clear before we actually put the lace on top of it. Okay, I promise y'all this is the last thing, okay? So the reason why I put on the elastic band belt, whatever, before I go ahead and cut off the lace is because you want to make sure that the lace is melted before you start cutting stuff. Honestly, in my opinion, I feel like it's way better to do it like that because the wig is already melted and laid, okay? All you got to do is cut it off, and it makes it way easier because it's not going to lift up. It's not going to do all that extra stuff because it's already melted. Feel me? So yeah, I went ahead and I cut the lace underneath the baby hairs that I already took out, and then I'm going to put a smaller elastic band on to hold that down while I wet the hair and do all that. Okay, period. And this how the wig came out. It came out really cute. I really love how I did my baby hairs, y'all. Y'all don't even understand, because the baby hairs be a little hard for me. But anyway, this how the wig came out. It looks very cute, very much slaying on you hoes. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media platforms. Check out Vshow hair. All their information will be in the description box down below. Follow my hair page. Okay, period. And until next time, Desi out.